If you're watching this right now, this message was meant to find you because you are about to skyrocket to a whole new level. The delay, the setbacks, the failures, the losses, the game overs. I'm getting main character energy. So this delay was strategic so that you could gain the experience, the skills, the strength, the resources to get you to the next level. And this is something that takes a lifetime of achievement to acquire. So don't feel like you're ever behind because your life is only just beginning. This is going to unfold from such a beautiful place of growth. All this progress you've made in the unseen below the surface has created a foundation so solid that the growth that's coming has no choice but to be exponential. You have defeated the hardest bosses at this age. You have already lost so much that you are so much stronger, wiser, and more cunning than most people your age. And you've always been an old soul. So now you are moving from experience, and that creates exponential growth. So you're going to gain a lot of blessings in the coming year, especially in 2026. I feel like the second half of the year is going to be so much different than the first half because the first half was focused on so much growth and getting to where you are now that the second half is where all that growth is going to become visible. It's going to take you to new places. It's going to take you to new rooms. You're going to become more visible, more magnetic, more attractive. You're going to manifest things a lot more quickly. And then from there, you are going to establish yourself. And then things are just going to get bigger and better, and it's going to be better than anything you could have ever imagined. And it's going to unfold in such a miraculous way that it's going to blow your mind. And everything leading up to this moment is going to make so much sense. So trust the process, trust God, and know that you are on the right path. Everything you want is right around the corner. You are this close. So keep going. Don't quit. Be frustrated, throw a fit, cry if you want to, but then compose yourself and get back to work. You're almost there, my friend. So start celebrating. Get ready. I believe in you so much. If this was helpful or if this resonated, hit that like button, send it to others who need to hear this message, and subscribe for more because I put out new videos almost every single day to help you on your journey. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.